Is modular construction here to stay? The short answer is yes. Modular construction is here to stay in the UK. I'm Lewis Wassell, Smart Buildings Manager at Vargo. The UK construction industry has embraced modular construction as a viable solution to address housing shortages, improve productivity and reduce construction time. The government has shown support for modular construction by implementing initiatives to promote off-site manufacturing and modular building methods. This includes funding programs and incentives to encourage the adoption of modular construction in both residential and commercial sectors. The benefits of modular construction, such as speed, cost efficiency, sustainability and quality control, make it an attractive option for addressing the housing demand in the UK. As a result, modular construction is likely to continue growing, playing a significant role in the UK's construction industry. To find out how Vargo's pluggable connections like Winster can help with electrical installations in modular construction.